Hey guys, I'm back. I know these weekend videos keeps you guys waiting, but I want to focus a lot on my grades this year and only getting straight A's if I can. Anyways, today I'm gonna be acting out a scene from Lady Bird, so let's get into it. Hey Mom, did you feel emotional the first time you drove in Sacramento? I did, and I wanted to tell you, but we weren't really talking when it happened. All those Bens I've known my whole life, in stores, and the whole thing. But I wanted to tell you, I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay guys, I look a little weird. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I'm so sorry for the clock sound in the background that's like, I'm so sorry for that. Don't mind my acting's a little off. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.